I bought a watch repair kit on Amazon for $16. How is it? Let's find out. The watch repair kit comes in this artificial leather case, so let's see what's inside.
Welcome to A Watch from the Future. Subscribe to the channel and don't miss more content like this.
We have a user manual that indicated how to use the tools comes with repair kit. Everything is shown with pictures to make it easiest to use this repair kit. We'll start with the adjustable case opener, which is okay in quality for the price. And it has ability to adjust the width, which allows us to fit to a specific watch. It works well and nothing is stuck. Along with it, we get 18 adjustable case opener pins that screw onto the case opener. Next, we have the watch band pins remover. Sorry guys, my bad. Everything on it works well, and it is easy to use. It can also be adjusted for specific watch band models. With this, we adjust the band height to match the particular things of the watch band. We use it in this way. Next, we have 3 pin pushers of 0.8, 0.9 and 1 mm, which are used in combination with the watch band holder and hammer. By placing the watch band in the slot of the watch band holder and pushing out the pins with the hammer. Also, in the set, we have a metal tweezer. Next, we have a gold screwdriver with a rotating handle which makes unscrewing easier. With it, we get 5 different bits that are easy to change like this. The screwdriver is of satisfactory quality. Further in the set, we have a spring bar tool, along with 2 additional replacement tips that are very easy to change. The set also includes a watch back pry opener, which is used to open the back cover of the watch like this one. We also get a one cloth for the watch. In the set, there are 108 spring bars of various lengths. And the last things for today is the case holder, which is just to hold the watch while we open its back cover. My opinion is that this watch repair kit is worth it and offers good value for money. It can be useful for minor repairs that don't require a visit to the watchmaker, such as battery replacement and band shorting. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to the channel and let's explore the past, present and future of watches together.